Hello everyone. By the show of hands, how many of you have ever been bullied? Okay. Now, how many of you have ever witnessed someone being bullied? As expected. Everyone has seen or heard about bullying once in their lifetime. Just like some of you, I have witnessed bullying personally, specifically with my son. He was being bullied at school. So I took every step possible to make it stop. Unfortunately, during that process, I learned that there's so much lack of information everywhere about such a complex matter. And that's why I'm going to tell you a few things about bullying. Bullying is a problem that affects millions of students every day across America. According to statistics, 1 out of every 5 students is bullied. That's 20% of students. And 41% of those 20% report that bullying will happen again. This means that it's very likely that bullying is happening around us, or someone you know or someone you see during the day. Two, the reasons for being bullied vary from student to student. Bullying is a very complex matter. The reasons for being bullied reported have been from physical appearance, race, ethnicity, gender, disability, religion, sexual orientation. This is the same reason why it's so complex. There's so many ways that bullying could happen. Now, bullying victims are more likely to consider suicide. Bullying may cause problems that will persist into your adulthood. Bully victims are between 2 to 9 times more likely to consider suicide, according to studies done by Yale University. And according to statistics reported by ABC News, nearly 30% of students are victims of bullying or bullying themselves. And 160,000 kids stay at home every day for the fear of being bullied. So what's a good solution? Implementing anti-bullying programs where? At every school, at your community, at home. At every school, you make sure that the teachers and staff are well trained and they're aware of what to do when they see bullying happening. At your community, you could post flyers, go to Parks and Rec, libraries, and hand out flyers about information about bullying. At home, you listen to your kids, you hear their problems, and you teach them what causes bullying and what are the consequences and what to do. The efficacy. Research of anti-bullying programs show that they reduce bullying perpetration by approximately 20%. It may not seem a big number, but I would say that it's better to save one kid than to save none. And I would like to leave you with this. Bullying is killing our kids. Being different is killing our kids. Kids who are bullied are dying inside. We must save our kids, whether they're bullied or they are bullying. They're all in pain. Cut Cora. That's the reason why we need to educate about bullying so we can save our kids.